today's video is a lot different than my normal makeup reviews or makeup tutorial. This is an unboxing video of what I recently purchased from Louis Vuitton. YouTube videos really help me when it comes to deciding whether or not if I want to purchase an item, especially when it comes to a luxury designer item like Louis Vuitton. I really want to see other people using it, see what their reactions are. So I thought I would make my own video about my experience with how I even got this bag, because it is really rare to find. Hopefully with me sharing my tips and tricks on how I finally was able to purchase this bag, that it'll help you guys if you were interested in the same bag, because this is my second handbag from Louis Vuitton that I pretty much thought was impossible to get, and it's not. It really isn't. Stay tuned till the end and I will tell you guys exactly how I secured the bag. This was my first time purchasing a Louis Vuitton off of their website. I usually go into the boutiques to really see and feel the handbag, wear it, look at it in the mirror to make sure that I want to purchase it or not. So I'm really excited to see my first reaction on this bag. I've actually never seen it in person, just on the website or in pictures or other people's YouTube videos. So I'm really excited. And yeah, let's open it up. Oh, that's cute. The box even says Louis Vuitton on it. Folds down. This is hard to do on camera. Just some paper, and then inside is the classic orange and blue packaging. The first thing in the box is probably the receipt and all that good stuff. A return label, which I am hoping I don't have to return it because this was pretty hard to find. So yeah, it's just the receipt and all that good stuff. So here is the box. Okay, take the ribbon off. I always thought it would be cute to wear these ribbons in your hair. I love the Louis Vuitton boxes that come with the bags. They're really sturdy and durable, and I always keep my bags when I'm not using them in this box. Okay, here's a little dust bag that it comes in. And here she is, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So cute. This is the Monogram Pochette Accessoires bag. Oh, it's so cute. I'm excited to see where it was made. I've heard a lot of the Louis Vuittons that are made in the United States aren't as top quality as the ones that are made in France. So let's see where mine was made. Oh, it says it right here. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Yeah! It was $525. So not too bad for Louis Vuitton. I can't believe I got this bag, you guys. Like, I can't believe it is in my hands right now. It's in the Monogram canvas, which is pretty much all I get from Louis Vuitton. I love the monogram. And it has this strap right here, which is detachable, so you can wear it as a clutch if you wanted to. I do have another strap that I've purchased separately, so I can make this into more of a crossbody bag. And then inside is a nice brown material. You do get a little pouch right here. So this is how it looks when it's on. I feel like it's the perfect size. Okay, so let me tell you guys how I secured this bag. Like I said, I have been eyeballing it for a few months now, and on the Louis Vuitton website, it's always unavailable, always out of stock. So the way that I got this bag, about a month ago, I purchased another Louis Vuitton bag that was really hard for me to get my hands on, so I kind of followed the same method and I was able to get this bag. So this is how I did it. So I created a profile on the Louis Vuitton website. It's free, anybody can do it. You don't need to ever have purchased a bag from Louis Vuitton to create a profile. And then what I did was I created a wish list of all the bags that I would love to have, and this one was on it. So for the past few months, every time I would go onto my phone, well, not every time, but every time I thought about it, when I was on my phone, I would just go to my wish list, refresh it, and just check to see if any of these bags were available or not. Well, just a couple days ago, this bag said place in cart instead of call for availability. And I literally freaked out. I was like, no way, are you kidding? This has to be a glitch. So I quickly just placed it in my cart, did all the checkout, and hope for the best. The next day I got an email saying your item has shipped. And that's when I knew I secured the bag, you guys. I got it. And now she's here. So that would be my best advice. If you guys really want a bag off of the Louis Vuitton website that's pretty much looks impossible to get or that is sold out, create a wish list, check it all the time, be ready to pay for it right then and there, because if you don't, it's gonna be gone in a flash. That's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below and I will answer them back for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.